Hey guys, this is JP from DJP Tech, and today we're going to bring you a review of the Sunsonny SK-K1 mechanical gaming keyboard. Let's go! So, Sunsonny is a Chinese company that started out in 2002, and they mostly make computer peripherals, like this awesome keyboard right here. So the Sunsonny SK-K1 mechanical gaming keyboard comes in a TKL or 10 keyless form factor, which means it doesn't have a numpad. So it saves you a lot of space when you put it on a desk. And it also comes with Otemo Blue switches, which is a lot like the Cherry MX Blues, which you get on more expensive gaming keyboards. But at this price point, it's a good budget keyboard, and the key switches feel very great. So this keyboard comes with green backlit switches, with an option to set it to one of the 3 illumination levels or turn off the backlighting altogether. It also comes with this cool breathing function, which allows you to showcase your setup if you're into that kind. This keyboard also comes with 2 rubber feet, which gives a little height while typing, and coupled with the keyboard's weight, it helps prevent the keyboard from sliding on the desk. This also comes with a nylon braided cable and a gold-plated USB connector, which helps in making the keyboard a bit more durable. So I purchased my keyboard for around 1,800 pesos at Arunafeld's Bambi, which is an online store, and they do shipping nationwide. So I'll put the link in the description down below if you want to check out their store for more tech or even buy your own keyboard. So all in all, this keyboard is a great device for gaming or even just simple typing, and at this price point, this is the best budget option for all those who want to get into mechanical keyboards. And that's about it. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see more tech reviews, subscribe to our channel. This is JP from DJP Tech, signing out.